Thank you for coming in. I'm very sorry for your loss. Oh, it's alright. I just want to get this over with so we can get some justice. It says here you and your wife were in the car when she was shot. Can you tell me, what were you doing? We're getting some lunch. I'm sorry, continue. I think we were actually on the way to a drive-thru at the time. Drive-thru, yummy. I'm sorry? I said drive-thru, tell me, which one? Oh, I think it was the KFC down the road. KFC, huh? Sorry, it might have been GYG actually. I think we're getting burritos. That's delicious. Sorry? That's vicious, I said. Continue. Anyway, so we got our food and then I'm getting my burrito out and then I think she got like nacho fries and then... Sorry, is that your stomach rumbling? No?
What the hell happened?
Johnson, I'm going to lunch. Oh, lunch.